Sophia's passion for cooking. I'm your host, Sophia. Today I'm going to make a tasty fresh pineapple rasam. This is very common in South India. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. I'm using fresh pineapple today. Cut off the bottom and the top. Remove the skin and slice them up. Now chop them into small cubes. I'm going to use just 1 cup. These tomatoes are from my garden. I always store some in the freezer for winter cooking. In a big mixing bowl, add 4 to 5 tomatoes. Into that, add 2 cups of hot water. Add a teaspoon of tamarind paste and mix it well. Crush the tomatoes with a spoon. Add 2 stems of curry leaves and mix it well again. Grind the following ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of black pepper pods, and 5 to 6 garlic cloves. I'm using mortar and pestle to grind the ingredients. First, crush the garlic with the skin on. Then add cumin seeds and peppercorns. Crush them coarsely. In a big pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using sesame seed oil today over high heat. Once the oil is ready, add the mustard seeds and wait till they split. Now add asafoetida, fresh green or red chili, adjust your taste, curry leaves, along with the crushed ingredients. Fry it for a minute or 2 on medium heat. When you cook this recipe, your whole house will smell so great. Add chopped pineapples and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the tamarind mixture and mix it well. Into that, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 more cup of water and mix it well again. Add a cup of chopped coriander leaves. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of rasam powder and boil for 5 minutes. Usually people won't boil rasam for so many reasons, but I always boil my rasam and it always turns out very tasty. Turn the stove off and let it stand for 5 minutes before you serve. My tasty pineapple rasam is ready to serve. Yes, you can eat it like soup. If you have a cold, this is your cure. It is very flavorful and nutritious. I love to eat with plain rice. Today I'm serving it with yogurt, beet stir fry, anchovy fry. If you are looking for this recipe, please check it out in my description box, and some chips. You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.